2 at Santapod. Yesterday was not a very good day, man. Amir, the 4-door EG, his 1-to-1 gear shift from USC a couple of weeks ago came back to finally haunt him. In the burnout box of his second pass, his car just shut off like twice. Started it again, went for another burnout, and just loads of smoke everywhere, and just the car wouldn't start again. So pushed it back to the bits, the tent, and Uncle Rodney came knocking straight out of the block, that Conrod. So at least we know now that once you do a 1-to-1, you only get a couple more passes before the engine blows. And for the Silver Surfer, big jamming, he didn't have much luck either, man. His turbo went kaput. The little silicone scoop for the air, the air scoop, that came off the turbo and hit the turbine, and that absolutely knackered about 4 of his blades or 3 of his blades. And then went for another pass in the burnout box. That same bloody fuel line started leaking, spraying meth everywhere again. So he called it a day as well. MS 86 yesterday was absolutely insane. Should be a better day today, I hope. Come on, jam it, man. Look in.
Boy, that had some pressure in it still. Fuck me.
Yeah.
And that's all night. Bastard.
So it must just not be proud.
Oh.
How much racing do you do on the street, Gordon?
None anymore.
Oh.
Too old now.
You don't look a day over 70, Gordon.
Cheers. Cheers. Is that like...
Decent.
This one's not been cut very well.
Oh, that's the one with the hole in the neck, yeah.
I try it left-handed. I've never tried it this way. Just enough.
Perfect. Another day, another blown rod. This time it's the Silver Surfer. Just like with the 4-door, in the burnout box, Uncle Rodney came knocking. And it's really just heartbreaking, man. Some sad stuff. And all the hard work Jamin has put into this, only for him to not even get a proper run, really. Till next time, Jam. Well, hopefully he gets it up and running in no time, man. It's not the last you've seen of this bad boy. Nephew, you're right in there.
Hello guys. Be one with the car. Get to know your car.
Well,
Right now I need to just be with her for
be at one with your car, huh?
Yeah, because she's broke my heart. So maybe I've done something wrong.
You broke her heart. That is another Santa Pod weekend done. Fortunately, it's not what we wanted. That's the nature of the game, man. You got to take the good with the bad. A couple of blown rods, but I've got a feeling these men are going to come back stronger. Silver Surfer with this blown rod done. That is the Anomaly being loaded up onto recovery truck as we speak. Now what you're looking at is the fastest Corsa B in the world without wheelie bars. Street Races is home with the fastest Corsa B in the world, driven by Darren himself, tuned by the magician, the wizard. This Corsa B runs 8s now. The Anomaly is going on the back of the truck. Keep it Redline Recoveries. It's a sad day at the office. Keep it Redline Recoveries, Birmingham. Hit them up whenever your rod blows. Sad moment, but I got a feeling you're coming back stronger, Miru.
Always. First time I blew engine.
Serious?
9-1. Second time I come out 8-7, 8-9, 8-8, 8-6. So we get stronger, faster, more competitive.
Is the cylinder head okay?
Sorry?
Hopefully the cylinder head's okay. That's why they came from Japan. You know, Gordon said.
Oh, yeah, that's your one as well.
Yeah, Gordon said it might have dropped a valve.
Maybe.
Hopefully it's
But
not.
hopefully
Otherwise, then it's my fault. Then
if there's some bent valves, it's not too major. Like we can replace valves.
You gotta keep that head. That head's good. I'm telling you,
It was
I
good.
cleaned it myself.
It's always good to have spare heads.
So I stripped it myself.
Stripped it.
I took good care. If you watch the breakdown video of it, Roman, they're whacking it with a hammer and everything. You know what? They got Euros in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Let's see how
we
these
can
boys,
rebuild both the cars.
let's see how quick these boys really are off the drag strip. I got a feeling they'll do it. Jamin said he's retired, but I think he's lying. He loves this game. If you enjoyed this one, be sure to follow, like and subscribe to see the rebuild journey of both cars.
Like and subscribe.